Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. In the first step, go to search bar, type your control panel, then click here to open it. Once we are here, just select view by as large icons, then scroll down and search for programs and features. Click here to open it, then click on turn Windows features on or off. Once we are here, just expand the legacy components, check this and check the direct play, then click on OK. So this will take some time to apply the changes, then close this windows. Now simply go to search bar, then open any web browser. Now type here DirectX download. Now click on the first link from the search results from Microsoft.com. Then just scroll down, select the language and click on download. Now wait for some seconds, then click on show all. Open show in folder and just drag it to the desktop. So once done, we need to start the installation process. Double click on it to open it. Now accept the agreement, click on next, uncheck this, click on next. Now we need to wait for some time to complete the installation process. Once done, click on finish and simply restart your system and your problem will be solved. That's it guys, you're good to go.